Does your heart ache for a church ablaze with spiritual fervor, guided by the unwavering light of prophetic insight? Is your congregation yearning for a deeper connection to the divine, a bold voice that challenges the status quo and inspires transformative change? The stagnation many churches face is often due to a silenced prophetic pulse, a missing element that can revitalize its mission and ignite its members' hearts. This book explores the potential for profound spiritual awakening within your church by reintegrating the prophetic ministry. It delves into dismantling misconceptions, cultivating acceptance, and fostering an environment where truth, humility, and righteousness flourish. Imagine a community where the prophetic voice empowers individuals to challenge sinfulness, embrace growth, and stand firm against fleeting trends. Such a transformation requires courageous leadership, a willingness to step outside comfort zones, and a commitment to cultivating biblically aligned innovation. The time for revitalization is now. Discover practical strategies for nurturing prophetic voices, breaking down barriers that hinder their acceptance, and inspiring transformative experiences that challenge the heart and soul. Unleash the power of the prophetic watchman within your church and embark on a journey towards deeper vision, renewed purpose, and a community that boldly proclaims God's truth. This is not merely a dream, but a potential reality waiting to be unlocked. Explore the path to reigniting spiritual passion within your church community. Discover how by visiting the book sales page for Restoring God's Prophetic Voice, and begin your journey today. Thank you for watching our video today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. There is a link to the book for further information in the description section of this video. May you have a day filled with the peace and favor of our Lord Jesus Christ.